બતાવું છું. આ જો આ કાળો છે, આ જો અહીંયા જો. See what I am doing now? I am giving a positive compensation. Now see. Okay. So now this is too much. I am reducing the positive compensation.
Perfect.
Now is it okay?
Yeah. Perfect.
There is a plus minus button here on the top. On the top here, this is a plus minus button. See, you press it. This is 0.7 minus 0.7. So you have kept it 0.3. I changed it to minus 0.7. So you can change it. So as a rule of thumb, whenever the subject is in light and background is darker, means light is directly falling on the subject, then keep negative compensation. And when the subject is in shadow, say for example bird perching on a tree, and it is in the shade and background is sky which is brighter, in that case you keep positive compensation. Okay? So